Okay, so behind me is MAERSK Cape Coast, and it is a vessel with a capacity of 5,500 coming to berth here at MPS Terminal 3 to discharge 3,500, discharge and unload 3,500 containers, of which it will continue its journey. So this is what Map Focus is about. We tell you the issues, we bring the information right to your doorstep. And today, we are here on a day's visit at MPS Terminal 3.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la, la 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 la, oh, oh. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.